Oh, hey, so come a little closer. I want to talk to you all about something real dirty. Oh, yeah, it's just gross. It's probably not what you think. It has nothing to do with what's in a bathroom, but it's something that you bring up to your face every day. It's your phone. Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I am your host, Kevin. Hey, could you all do me a huge favor if you like videos that are about Good Tech Cheap? Could you like this video? If you want more videos about Good Tech Cheap, could you subscribe to this channel? And even more, if you could turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more Good Tech Cheap, I would appreciate that oh so much. Let's talk about dirty stuff. I'm being completely serious. The most dirty thing that you come into contact with in a most intimate manner every day is your smartphone. It is crawling with germs. Germs are bad. I learned that in school. And so what do? Well, you got a device that is going to be able to clean 99.99% of germs from your phone. You plug it in, you put your phone in it, and you use it. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the Senerport 3-in-1 phone cleansing unit. It's a cleaner box for your phone. It works on 10 watts. It has dual USB outputs. And as I mentioned, the kill rate is 99.99%. Oh yeah. And it works really fast too. That 99.99% kill rate, you're gonna get that in 5 minutes. It'll break everything down to the DNA molecular level. That's right. And if you're like me and your phone's always running out of battery, well, you can charge it in this device at the same time. Your phone is gonna be sanitized 360 degrees. That's right, from every side and every angle, top, bottom, sides, everywhere. We're talking about a full sanitizer with 4 PCS tubes and a sanitizer large enough that you'll be able to get a phone with a 7.1-inch diagonal screen to fit inside no problem. Hey, you can use it for more than sanitizing your phone. Put in your face mask, put in your keys, put in all those little objects that you have as part of your daily life and get them clean. Get them good and clean. And don't take my word for it, don't take their word for it. This is proven technology that has been verified by third-party experts. You're gonna get that 99.99% germ-killing rate. And all of that for only $49.99. Click on that link in the description below and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Oh hey, so here we are. All I have to do is plug this in and make sure it's plugged in on the back. Notice the extra ports. I'm going to go ahead and plug in a USB-C cable because I want to charge my tablet while my phone is cleansing. So you have your UV light coming in on both sides, the phone raised on the platform. It's pretty much ready to go. Notice that is a large size phone. Close that up, turn on the power button. You can see we are good to go. In 5 minutes this will automatically shut off. If you like, flip your phone, do another 5 minutes, and that is a deep cleanse. And you saw how big the space inside the decontamination box is. You can actually put your keys in there and face masks and other things that you and your family use that you just want to keep as clean as possible. And as I mentioned, maybe I want to charge something while it's cleansing. Oh. All right. Now I can use my laptop while I wait for my phone to get clean. Pardon me, I'm busy. One thing to point out, you can also charge your phone while you're decontaminating it. At the same time, observe, here's my phone. You see it's not charging because it's not connected to anything. Imagine such a thing. Now watch. Are you ready? Would you look at that? Not bad. Now let's decontaminate that too. All right, well, hey, cheers to clean phones and face masks and other things in under 5 minutes. Great stuff. Click on that link below to get one for your household today. You'll be glad you did it. All right, I think that just about wraps up this video. I'd like to give a shout out to Senerport for sponsoring it. Thank you so much for sending such a useful product that people will actually want to have in their homes. And it works fast, and it works easily, and it works well. If you like this video, as I mentioned before, please give it a like. If you can subscribe to Good Tech Cheap, please do that as well. And on top of that, if you can turn on that notification bell, you'll know when we drop more Good Tech Cheap. All right, from Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin. Stay kind. I will see you next time. Bye.